use case where I would want to, let's say the Zilker firm wants to calculate their revenue for a particular month, and they also wanted to know each advocate's revenue that they have got. So for that, I'm going to use the same data source which contains all the information of the advocates, the billable hours and non-billable hours. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the group by option. So in this, I'm grouping based on the client name. So as you can see, this is the group set 1, and it's been grouped by the client name. And furthermore, it's categorized using the advocate name, the total amount, and the billable option. So if it is billable or non-billable hours. So these informations can be categorized using group by. And furthermore, I have also added the advocate aggregate field. So to get the advocate's total sum, what I've done is I've used the operation sum, and I'm aggregating it based on the grouped advocate name. So using the advocate name, the group set that I have, I'm going to aggregate the field called total amount, so that I'll be able to get the total amount for that particular advocate. So now, furthermore, once I have inserted these fields, I also have another table, which is also a repeat table. So only in repeat table, you'll be able to add these fields. So here, I have added a group set called advocate name. So using the advocate name, I'm going to group the data that I have in my data source. And furthermore, I have also added a aggregate field called advocate total. So here I'm going to use the advocate name and the total as the field to be aggregated. So now once that is done, I'll just go ahead and click on preview. So here as well, you'll have various output options. So you can send it for signing, or just save the document in your work drive so that you'll have a monthly data analysis. So let me just show you the preview on how these informations is categorized and shown to you in a visually stunning manner. So here you can see that I'm getting the total amount for the entire organization because I have grouped based on the client's name. And furthermore, I have grouped based on the advocate name. So here you can see that the advocate C has worked for ABC Corp for this much amount. And furthermore, you can see the various client name and the advocates who has worked under those clients. And moving on to the next table, you can see the advocate breakup, so that you'll be able to easily analyze the total amount or the total revenue brought by each advocate. So here you will be able to see the total amount for each advocate. So this is how you can visually represent the data that you have, the raw data, using aggregate and group by fields in Writer. So that's about the demo session.
That's great. So thank you so much, Gautam, for the insightful demo. So as we saw, Zoho Writer allows law firms to easily generate service-based invoices and keep track of billable and non-billable hours with ease. This can save a lot of administrative time, reduce errors in invoicing, and ensure clear and accurate billing for clients.
Definitely, Srini.